Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're a new viewer, this is going to be a video about Ariva coin, talking about what's been happening to this crypto, especially when it comes to the charts. Now, I made a video about this thing a month and some change ago, but it did not pan out the way I planned it. It went down a lot lower, and it's been kind of stabilizing this 0.0015 level. So let's dive into a little bit more in some details, guys. So right now, it's been making a bunch of this like eagles, basically small body, long wick, small body, long wick. Now, this is showing that it might go down lower. So for me, when it comes to this crypto, guys, especially when it's been downtrending, because this is on the daily, let's see. My main thing about it is something like this is happening, I'm going to keep out of the trade. I'm going to be a little bit patient and wait maybe 1 to 2 weeks, maybe another month to see if I should do another entry in. Because for me, I have like a very tight stop loss, and if I get knocked out of a trade or knocked out because I'm doing cast positions, I just exit and replan everything out. Basically, come back into it and replan it. Because right now, a lot of people are taking losses now. If you bought down here, maybe you're up a little bit. About down here, over here, maybe. Until it starts building up again off of a new trend, I think that, if I was going to cash, do like a dollar cost average or, hodl, I would basically just have to wait this out until the dip goes up a little bit higher and builds a lot more structure back up here. Back into this zone here. Now we're talking about like 0.0002 higher, 3 higher, but it's pretty significant to the current price. So it's going to take some patience. So I do see when it comes like the price prediction, it has to be 0.00018 for me to get back, involved in this crypto. Now, if you're going to buy the dip, then sure, plan it out, assess your wins versus your losses. But for me, getting into this crypto, taking some losses already, I'm going to just wait it out until it builds up more structure. So if it does go back up here, builds up more structure, I can, look at getting into a buy, stop, or market at that time. But right now, since it's been downtrending pretty hard, I'm not going to be in this crypto until it starts building something like this to head it up back higher. Just how I see it. Now, I could break it down in different ways and do different patterns. That if you're interested in that, just let me know in the description box below. I'm sorry, in the comment box. Let me know. I can break that down a little bit more because let me give you a little preview about my last trade. So here's my last video. Same shirt. Pretty cool. I talked about what I thought about the crypto, and it didn't come out to be right, which is fine. Can't always be right. I thought I was going to take off from there, build up more structure, then head back higher, but obviously it did not pan out that way, which is fine. That's just how trading gets to. Let's see. Let's get to some of the details. But when it comes to this crypto, the watch list, it currently has 728,000 people watching this. That is a lot more than some of the cryptos in the top 100. And currently this thing was ranked 724 not too long ago, 736, so it's fallen back a little bit. 728,000 people watch list, same about 200 people more, so a little bit more interest into it. The price is a little bit down from last time in this video on June 10th. So give you guys a little bit of update of what's happening. Also, guys, if you guys want to learn more about this crypto, please check out the website, check out the market, stuff like that, where you guys can trade or hodl this, get into this crypto. They're sitting on like 30 different platforms, so try it out. Please check out their also Twitter page. It will give you some insight more about this website, about this platform. And also, if you're looking for like a gaming, they do have some gaming on this. Now, if you want to watch the trailers, just go here's avira.game/trailer. Check out this stuff out if you want to learn more about it. It has a very interesting concept to it now. It's different than their travel coin, because originally this is a travel coin. Actually, let me see if it's a token or a coin. Wait a second. Okay, it's a token, but if you want to be a part of this platform, just try it out. I'll definitely research it, learn more about it. I'm giving you my thoughts. I'm going to sit and wait until it goes to a little bit higher and before I enter and put some more money back into this. Well, other than that, guys, please check out my website, andrejmcclain.com. I have stuff about Forex, indicators, economy, stats, and some market stuff. If you guys want to check it out. Here's the economy stuff. This basically teaches a lot of your statistical stuff like gold and silver versus the stock market, 100-year price of gold and silver, stuff like that. I'm updating it, from time to time as I get more time. But that's it, guys. If you want to learn more about what I do, you can DM me, hit me up on Facebook, or just send me an email. Just go down to help. But other than that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video.